Micronutrients are dietary components, often referred to as vitamins and minerals, which, although only required by the body in small amounts, are vital to development, disease prevention and well-being. Micronutrients are not produced in the body and must be derived from the diet. Vitamins are essential for normal metabolism, growth and development and regulation of cell function. Vitamins are either fat-soluble or water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins can be stored in the fatty tissues in the body when in excess are so not excreted easily. This means that you do not need to eat them as often as water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins include vitamins B and C. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin B, whereas vitamin C is found abundantly in citrus fruits. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E and K. Green leafy vegetables, milk and dairy products and plant oils provide these vitamins. Vitamin A is also known as retinol and has many very important functions, such as helping the immune system to work against infections. It also helps with seeing in dim light and keeping the skin and linings of some parts of the body healthy, such as in the nose. Vitamin A can be stored in the liver, but it has too much in its body. It can be harmful to the body and affect how the digestive functions. It is a fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin A can be found in carrots, the liver, dark green vegetables. Vitamins are available in two forms, water-soluble and fat-soluble. Water-soluble vitamins include the B complex vitamins and vitamin C. Vitamins B6 and B12 are the two of the most well-known B complex vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are easily lost through the bodily fluids and must be replaced each day. The fat-soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Since they are not lost as easily as their water-soluble counterparts, fat-soluble vitamins tend to accumulate within the body and are not needed on a daily basis.
Vitamin D. Vitamin D mainly comes from your skin when it is exposed to sunlight. You can also get vitamin D from oily fish such as mackerel. Vitamin D helps to regulate the amounts of calcium and phosphate in the body. These nutrients are needed to ensure teeth and bones are kept healthy. Most people should be able to get all the vitamin D they need by eating a healthy, balanced diet and by getting sun.
Minerals are found in ionised form in the body. They are further classified into macrominerals and microminerals. Macrominerals present in the body include calcium, potassium and many more. Iron is a constituent of haemoglobin, which present in the blood. Hence, macrominerals constitute a larger percentage of the body and are needed in more amounts as compared to the microminerals. Microminerals include copper, zinc and many others. They are mostly cofactors and are necessary for the functions of enzymes in the body, but are needed only in minor quantities. Approximately 4% of the body's mass consists of minerals.
Minerals are also available in two forms, macrominerals and microminerals. Microminerals are only needed in trace amounts and include the following: iron, copper, iodine, zinc, fluoride. Minerals are necessary for three main reasons: building strong bones and teeth, controlling body fluids inside and outside cells, turning the food you eat into energy. Minerals are found in foods such as meats, cereals, including cereal products such as bread, fish, milk and dairy foods, vegetables, fruit, especially dried fruit, and nuts. Potassium is necessary for the heart, kidneys and other organs to work normally. Most people who eat a healthy diet should get enough potassium naturally. Low potassium is associated with a risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, arthritis, cancer, digestive disorders and infertility. Good natural food sources of potassium include bananas, avocados, nuts like almonds and peanuts, citrus fruits, leafy green vegetables, milk, potatoes. Keep in mind that some types of cooking, such as boiling, can destroy the potassium in some foods.
Macronutrients are nutrients that provide calories or energy. Nutrients are substances needed for growth, metabolism and for other body functions. Since macro means large, macronutrients are needed in large amounts. There are three macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins and fat. The human body needs carbohydrates in the largest amount. It is recommended that adults get 45 to 65 of their daily intake from carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are incredibly important to the diet for many reasons. When eaten, the body converts most carbohydrates into glucose, which is used to fuel cells such as brain and muscles, and is also used for energy when exercising. In a healthy, balanced diet, they are the body's main source of energy. High fibre, starchy carbs release sugar into the blood more slowly than sugary foods and drinks. Starchy foods are found in things such as bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, cornmeal, yams, couscous and breakfast cereals. They are complex carbohydrates. Like fruit and vegetables, these should be about a third of your diet. Starchy foods have less than 50% of the calories you would find in fat. When you opt for a whole grain option, you get more fibre as well as more nutrients. Whole grain starches even digest more slowly, making us feel full for longer.
Protein. The proteins which we consume as part of our diet are broken down in the gut to amino acids. The body can then use these amino acids in three main ways: as building blocks in the production of new proteins needed for growth and repair of tissues, making essential hormones and enzymes and supporting immune function; as energy source; as starting materials in the production of other compounds needed by the body. Protein is best found in these foods: lean meats, fish, poultry, low-fat cheese, milk, yogurts, eggs, legumes, soy, nuts and seeds. You should try to eat foods in this group every day and make sure to include fish in your diet 2 times a week. The meat, fish, egg and bean section only takes up 12% of the eat well plate.
Although we shouldn't have too much fat, it's actually essential to have a small amount as part of our diet. Fats are important for protecting our organs, maintaining cell membranes, promoting growth and development and absorbing essential vitamins. There are 3 types of fats: saturated fat, found in foods like meat, butter and cream; unsaturated fat, found in foods like olive oil, avocado, nuts and canola oil; trans fats, found in commercially produced baked goods, snacked foods, fast foods and some margarines. Although we need 7% of fat in our diet, the best option is to eat the foods with unsaturated fat in, as it's much more healthier.